Mdumiseni Zuma sentenced to 12 years imprisonment. Mdumiseni Zuma was sentenced on Wednesday to 12 years imprisonment for incitement to commit public violence. He was convicted for contravening the Riotous Assemblies Act in September. This relates to the looting of the Brookside Mall in Pietermaritzburg during the civil unrest in 2021. Zuma got into trouble with the law when he incited people to commit public violence during the riots in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng in 2021. He posted a video of himself inside a mall inviting people to loot should it be open for business the next day. Hours later, the mall was looted and set alight. According to reports, Zuma admitted to the court during the trial that his actions might have persuaded many others to loot. At the time, Mdumiseni worked as a security guard at the retail center. In his defense, Zuma claimed he was intoxicated when he made the video and he had meant for it to be taken as a prank. He denied that he aimed to incite others to commit public violence. Earlier this year, 5 men were sentenced for July unrest looting. The 5 men, Duduzi Buthelezi, 52, Sfulili Mazibuko, 22, Mandla Ankobo, 59, John Tobela, 46, and Sabelo Shendu, 23, were arrested in Chesterville in 2021 with a bakkie full of meat after police in the area were conducting stop and search operations. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.